Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino sits in a prime spot on the Las Vegas Strip. It's directly connected to the Miracle Mile shops and just a short walk from landmarks like the Bellagio Fountains, the Eiffel Tower at Paris, Las Vegas, and the Cosmopolitan. The location makes it easy to explore the most photographed parts of the Strip on foot, and public transportation is also nearby, with the Bally's and Paris-Las Vegas monorail station just 7 minutes away. For travelers flying in, the resort is about a 7-minute drive from Harry Reid International Airport. Live entertainment venues like PH Live and the Coliseum at Caesar's Palace are also within walking distance. For more variety, the Link Promenade and High Roller Observation Wheel are close by, adding even more attractions within reach. If staying in the heart of Vegas is your goal, this location delivers exactly that. Unlike Planet Hollywood Cancun, there's no all-inclusive package at Planet Hollywood Las Vegas, so what you're paying for is the room, general resort access, and a few extras bundled into the nightly resort fee. That fee comes in at just over $60 per night and covers standard Wi-Fi, access to the 24-hour fitness center, the seasonal outdoor pool, and hot tubs. Daily housekeeping is available by request, and there are extra charges for rollaway beds, cribs, and pet stays. While the resort fee might seem like a drawback, it's actually one of the reasons Planet Hollywood can offer such competitive nightly rates. Instead of inflating the room price to include everything up front, they keep the base rate lower, even for rooms with strip or fountain views. Exact pricing and room upgrades are coming next, but for now, it's worth knowing that booking through the link below saves 18% for a limited time only. That discount makes a noticeable difference once all fees are added up. Room options at Planet Hollywood Las Vegas are built to fit a range of travel styles, from quick weekend getaways to longer trips with friends. If you're visiting as a couple or flying solo, the Ultra Hip King Room is a smart pick. It offers a clean, modern space with everything you need for a central strip stay. And with the current deal, it averages about $63 per person, per night, based on a 4-night stay for 2 guests, when booking via the discount link below. For groups or families, the Ultra Hip 2 Queen Room with mountain view adds flexibility without a big jump in price. It's ideal if you want a bit more space and a view that stretches beyond the Strip's rooftops. At about $66 per person, per night for 2 guests, it delivers solid value while keeping you right in the action. If you're planning something more special, like a celebration or a first-time Vegas experience, the Ultra Hip Fountain View Room is the upgrade to go for. With front-row views of the Bellagio Fountains and the lights of the Strip, it turns the room into part of the attraction. This option runs around $92 per person, per night, and it's easily one of the most memorable categories in this price range. While Planet Hollywood keeps its layout compact, the amenities provide more than enough for a well-rounded stay. The rooftop pool area is lively and offers a balance between sunbathing and entertainment. However, there are some seasonal restrictions that I'll cover in the considerations section. Cabanas are available for an extra fee, but loungers are free and first come, first served. Inside, the Reflections Spa adds a quieter contrast to the casino buzz. There's also a salon, convenience shops, and a full fitness center open 24 hours a day, helpful for early risers or jet-lagged travelers. While the resort doesn't have sprawling grounds, everything you need is within quick reach, making it especially convenient for short or active stays. Planet Hollywood's casino floor delivers a lively mix of slots, table games, and a fully equipped sportsbook, perfect for casual bettors and big spenders alike. It's busy without overwhelming, making it easy to find a seat or enjoy a few hands, even on game nights. Anchored by PH Live, the entertainment venue regularly features mid-tier headliners and themed events, ideal for fans of comedy, music, or tribute acts. Within a short walk, you'll also find nearby stages like the Coliseum at Caesar's or shows along the Link Promenade, offering plenty of evening variety without needing a ride. For a relaxed break, several lounges and bars surround the gaming area, each with its own vibe. Whether you're in the mood for cocktails, casual conversation, or a place to unwind between bets, you'll find it steps from your room door. Food options at Planet Hollywood lean casual but hit the mark for convenience and variety. The standout is Gordon Ramsay Burger, which delivers exactly what you'd expect: rich, over-the-top burgers in a loud, energetic setting. It's ideal for a splurge night without going full fine dining. For something quicker, Pin-Up Pizza offers oversized slices just steps from the casino floor, perfect for late-night cravings or a fast bite between plans. Cafe Hollywood is open all day and covers the basics with burgers, breakfast plates, and sandwiches in a throwback diner atmosphere. If you're after something more relaxed, Yolos Mexican Grill serves up solid tacos and margaritas with zero fuss. And with the Miracle Mile food hall connected to the resort, you're never far from sushi, noodles, or a solid espresso. In terms of considerations, aside from the resort fee I've already covered, it's important to note that the pool is only open seasonally, from mid-March through the end of October. If you're traveling in winter, this could be a drawback. Noise is another factor. While rooms higher up tend to be quieter, this is still a lively, high-traffic property with music, crowds, and nightlife energy throughout the day and well into the evening. Light sleepers should plan ahead, either by packing earplugs or requesting a room farther from elevators and street-facing sides. For what it offers, Planet Hollywood is priced exactly where it should be. Rooms start far lower than other strip resorts in the same location, and even with the resort fee added, it still comes out ahead, especially with the current 18% discount. The entry-level categories work well for short trips, while upgrades like the Fountain View Room offer one of the best value-for-money experiences on the Strip. What you're getting is energy, access, and flexibility without overpaying for extras you may not use. The service is minimal and the hotel shows its age in places, but if your trip is focused on shows, nightlife, and location, Planet Hollywood holds its own against far more expensive options nearby. Planet Hollywood is best suited for travelers who want to be in the middle of everything without paying top-tier prices. It's ideal for couples, friend groups, or solo visitors who plan to spend most of their time exploring the Strip, catching shows, or enjoying the casino and nightlife. If you value location, flexibility, and easy access to entertainment over quiet luxury or full-service pampering, this hotel delivers exactly what you need. The energy here is fast, loud, and social, perfect if you want to walk out of the elevator and right into the action. The resort's self-service approach also makes it easy to come and go on your own schedule, without relying on staff or waiting around. Rooms with strip or fountain views offer great value for the price, especially if you're visiting for the first time and want that classic Vegas experience without overspending. It's not the right fit for families with young kids, travelers looking for a relaxing resort-style stay, or anyone expecting high-touch service. But for fast-paced Vegas trips where convenience and cost matter most, Planet Hollywood is one of the most balanced picks on the Strip. Book it now using the link below to save 18% for a limited time only.